I talked on one of the recent shows about using average true range. That is a function you can find on any of your charts, and you can attach those bands to your charts also on many of the charting platforms, or you can just look up what the average true range is for the candle that you use to jump into a trade. What can you do with average true range? Well, it can help you in a number of ways. I use it to determine what my loss parameter will be in many trades. Why do I do that? Well, I do 1.5 times average true range. You can do 1 time, you can do 2 times. The nice thing about going a little above what the average true range is, up to 2 times, is that you know the vicissitudes of where the stock or the ETF might be moving over the course of the prior 14 days or 14 periods. Average true range is typically based on 14 periods. You can change that to a shorter time period if you want. I usually just use the set limit. And what I do with that is I go ahead and say, okay, 1.5 of the average true range, how much is that percentage-wise of the trade that I'm doing? Many times it'll be 1%, it might be more. And then I look to score on my trade at least 2 times what the average true range is. That means that if I win a trade and then lose a trade, I'm still ahead. You understand that? That means actually you can lose 2 times more trades than you win and be even. But of course, we want to do much, much better than that. When you're making good decisions about entering trades, anything can go wrong, but at the same time, you want to make sure that most of the trades that you do are good. And if you do have a bad spate of things, then you're not losing money. First rule of trading, make money. Second rule of trading, don't lose money. So you've got to pay attention to that. Now, let's talk about then what do you do about profits? Here's another little tip. Why not go ahead if you actually achieve 2 times your average true range, and you go ahead and set that percentage in, set a good till canceled sell order to sell half of your trade at that point, and then let the rest of the trade run to a predetermined amount. Maybe it's when the 2-day, if you're getting in on the weekly and the 2-day goes against you, then maybe that's when you close the full trade. So again, or it can just be 5 times what your would-be profits are. It just depends. What that allows you to do is set up for the windfalls. You go ahead and lock in some profit and then let things run. And if they run wild, great. If things start turning against you, then close the trade and you've already taken profits. And again, the real trick to all of this is minimize your losses. When you hit that loss limit, close the trade. Losses will kill you. Profits will make you happy. God bless, my friends. Thanks so much for being with us. We're here for you every trading day.